we don't see anything because this is a noise test. We can see the engineer test different positions to get a different noise value. And also, they do the record. SDS tester does all the record for our values. And also our engineer takes the record on his notebook. Okay, let's say do them to the test and we see the pump. We can see pumps running very well, and there's no leakage from the mechanical seal. Torque and speed transducer also running to get the torque, speed, and then we get the real power from the speed and the torque. Okay, let's finish here.